Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at another couple of engines today. So let's take a look what we got here. Boom. Looking at the EMD lease SD70ACe. Alright. So let's unbox this big guy and see what we got going on. Alright. First time I am opening this right here. Usual Athearn Genesis blue box. Nothing fancy about it. Let's see inside. You got your owner's manual. Tsunami2 sound in it. Inside, what is this? This is our 1 year limited warranty on Athearn model products. Oh, that's more than that. Oh yeah, there's more than that. Right here. Now they got the Genesis locomotive limited warranty registration card here, and you have a new looking Athearn newsletter, different from before. And here you got your parts list here. It breaks down every part by number. And also by shell in the back. So this part list covers SD70ACe and SD70M-2s. So take off this foam here. What's side here? What's this? Right here we have another roof, and this one has PTC. Let's take it out. So you got options now. You got a regular roof, and here you have a PTC roof here. It's pretty neat. So we got options. So let's put that away just in case you want to switch it out. Stick it, store it up in here. Here you got your sanding lines. You can add in here if you like. All right, the models surrounded so foam. And the usual clear surrounded by hard clear plastic around like the soft plastic. It's kind of hard to slide these engines out recently, but as long as they're protected, it doesn't really matter. There we go. There we go. Now I got these foams. Pop this boy up. Oh, here we go. Alright, so we got these foam for the handrails. Slide it around. Pop them out. Oh wow, looking nice. And let's get this all cleared off and put it on the table. Looking at the SD70ACes, have multiple units. These two here are my inherited units. These are the progressive rail, and these are AMD leases. Okay, they're all kind of like sort of identical, but they different features that you can see. Like you all got the same plow, right? Same ME hoses. Now the ME hoses here is the electric jumper cables are blue. These two are red, and this one didn't come with any. Come back up, you know, I got dish lights. Far as paint schemes, you notice Virginia. This is the Illinois terminal. This is the progressive CNO. This is the regular blacked out progressive, and you got the AMD high and low logo. Grab irons, you all have grab irons, different colors. We get to the number boards. These are standard number boards. Now here you got a white number board and you got a black one, so that's what make this one different. Now you go into the roof. You got the PTC for these two. This one have PTC also. These have this regular standard antennas. Sorry. The horns, different colors, but pretty much the same thing. Now get to the rear. The only units that have the rear dish light is the NS units. All the other ones does not have them. Like defect wise, this guy right here didn't have the back grille on, so that's a part of the defect. And bring up just a tad bit here. Come down here and see that these electrical connections here, they are all in different places. Some are the same, but some are in different places. Like here, this one came from the factory like this, so I just gotta get some glue and tack that down, and that should be in a good shape. And I meant to go back for the horns though, but you can see as far as the how to say, like what holds them up. I want to say the casting, but I don't know the correct term for it. But see here, this is square. I'm sorry, you can't see that. Let's see. Now see, this one's a square type. This one is round. This is like the first one. Oops. This is like the first one. And this is like the first one. Well, pretty much all of them are the same for this one here. It's round. As far as a defect that I saw, that well, it's really much one locomotive really have. Like this Virginia one, the handrails is a little wavy. All the other ones is fine. But if you look at this dish light, the headlight here, you can see that it's crooked. If you look right at it, you wouldn't notice it if you wasn't really looking. But if you look right at it, right here, you see that it's crooked. And all the other ones, it's cool. I forgot to mention, these two are the only ones that had it in the nose, the headlights. All the rest is up top. But you'll see all the details coming up here in a moment. And sit back, enjoy, listen to the music, and you will like what you say. About again, I'm going to try not to make it too long, but you know, you're talking about multiple locomotives. So you're talking about 6 of them. So we'll see what happens. Also, want to add that the sandfield hatches are located here on these two units here. We can zoom in. Sorry, we cut like that, but here we go. Sandfield hatches on these two units here. And all other units have it on top. Oops. On top. Looking at these grills, all look cool, the same, but when you get down to this NS one here, it looks different. So there's a lot of different parts and pieces going on with these engines, but once again, it's okay. It looks good. I mean, I appreciate the detail that went in making individual locomotives, and I'm always glad to buy locomotives. All right.